Hello butt munches. Today things are going to be a little different around here. Normally I sit here while you guys ramble on about the news. Today I am a comedy hero. First off, I am going to absolutely humiliate Sarah for being such a female. No way, Jose, should you be on TV. Unless you have a sandwich in your shorts you can leave.
But
shut the heck up, foo. I run this popsicle stand. The only people talking tonight will be the straight white men. Herman, I know I can always count on you for an undergarment snack. You're right, I did steal some lobsters from Red Lobster. Don't judge me, I'm a black man at Lobster Fest. I probably should have stabbed them with my knife before I stuffed 12 crustaceans down my pants. Pretty sure I lost my fertility. Sick. A few less black kids running around means a lot less murders, stabbing, shootings, stealings, drug dealings, stealings from drug dealings, muggings. I have a longer list if you need to know the other ways that Herman not having kids would benefit society. I still have stab wounds from when Herman was a kid. That wasn't me, I only carried a gun, my bro was the knife guy. Didn't I shoot you in the foot for some booze? Don't judge me, I was a thirsty black kid. Does anyone have any booze? Yeah, you're right, you are the gun guy. Man, I am so stupid sometimes. I clearly have the gunshot wound in my foot still.
Haha, that's funny.
Shut up, gay boy, I said only straight white men can talk tonight. Let's also bring up the fact that you are fat. Incredibly fat. We even had to put braces on your chair. Let's recap. Sarah's a girl. Ha 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 ha. Herman's black. Ha 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 ha. And Newt's a fat gay boy. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Wait, I'm going to piss myself a flood of piss that will swallow you all up. You thought Noah's Ark was bad. Imagine the same amount of fluid but piss instead of rain.
you boys are disgusting.
What the heck are you doing using your freaking voice in freaking public, you freaking hack? Go make me a freaking pie.
John, you are cute when you're mad. Do you want to go out?
Ha 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 ha. You are so gay, Newt. I can't even begin to understand how gay you actually are. Ha 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 ha. I understand that you want to make fun about Newt and bring his self-esteem to an all-time low, but now you are bringing me into your jokes. So shut up, Hammerhead. Jackass. Hammerhead. Okay, you know what? Sarah is the jackass and Herman is the hammerhead. And Newt is the freaking gay boy. Wow, we are so funny and they are so stupid. I know one day there will be a Hollywood movie about this, starring John and Gary. Genius, absolutely genius.